With more on how this storm could impact our area, let's send it over to meteorologist Vanessa Alonso.
Thanks a lot, Tara, and good morning to you. Well, now that Laura has moved inland, it has weakened from that powerful Category 4 storm with 150-mile-per-hour winds, as it did when it made landfall over Cameron, Louisiana at 1 a.m. this morning. Currently, it's a Category 2 storm now with winds at 110 miles per hour. So it's still packing a punch over Louisiana, so we're definitely thinking of our friends there. Here is the latest forecast cone. It will be moving north over into Arkansas and then eventually into the Tennessee Valley region, turning northeast heading into Friday and then heading out into the northeast coast of the United States by the weekend. So we will be feeling some effects from those outer rain bands, especially later on today into our Friday, especially with the threat for some heavy rain, some gusty winds, and we cannot rule out the threat of maybe seeing an isolated tornado because of the atmosphere and the rotation with some of these feeder bands. For today, the severe weather threat is going to stay mostly out to our west over the I-55 corridor and west of it. And then heading into tomorrow, as Laura makes that northeast turn, our northern counties have been put under a level 2 risk, while areas south of Highway 82, including the city of Columbus, are under a level 1 risk, just simply because of the chance of that spin-up isolated tornado occurring. So here are some of those heavy rain amounts that we could be experiencing, anywhere from ½ an inch to almost 2+ inches of rain, and those wind gusts will be picking up throughout the day today and into our Friday, gusting up to 30 to 35 miles per hour at times. We'll be right back.
Now it's 5:47 and time to get an update on that forecast. Here's meteorologist Vanessa Alonso. Hey, Vanessa.
Hey there, Eric and Tara, and good morning to you. Well, we are beginning to see clouds move in on this Thursday morning, but at least all is quiet for now here in North Mississippi and West Alabama. You can see the cloud cover moving in on our Alpha Insurance sky cams and our Durance Pharmacy camera in Vernon. Temperatures very warm, muggy this morning as we're waking up to temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. So let's start off with some cuteness, because I think with everything that's going to be going on with our weather over the next couple of days, puppies and babies, in my opinion, always help make things better. So Tara, this is for you. Sunny and Dozer, who is making his Furcast debut this morning. This is just too cute of a photo. I had to put it in there, Tara. It's adorable. It's just too adorable. For us today, temperatures will be topping out near 91 degrees. We're going to see a mix of sun and clouds through at least midday, but then heading into the afternoon and into the evening hours, we will start seeing some showers and thunderstorms move in. So it is going to be a warm and humid summer day. So definitely, ladies, it is summer dress weather for us. But you may need to keep the umbrella and rain gear handy just in case, because we're going to start feeling the effects of Hurricane Laura. It officially made landfall this morning near Cameron, Louisiana, and it's now moving inland. It was a powerful Category 4 storm when it made landfall, but now that it's moving over land, it has now currently weakened to a Category 2 storm with winds at 110 miles per hour. Now, as this storm moves to the north and then eventually into the northeast, into the Tennessee Valley region, we could get some of those outer feeder bands from Laura, and we can get some wind gusts here up to 35 miles per hour, some heavy rainfall, and yes, the possibility of some of these storms rotating and possibly giving us a quick spin-up tornado. These are going to come with very little warning, as they do with these tropical systems. So we'll have to watch this very closely over the next 24 to 36 hours. So here is the latest hour-by-hour forecast. As Laura continues to move north, heading into midday, the center of circulation is going to stay out to our west as it moves up into Arkansas. For us, we're just going to see a mix of sun and clouds, but we're going to have to watch some of these feeder bands on I-55, as some of those could move in, but they could break apart before it gets here. So something Keith, Trevor, and I will be watching very closely heading into the afternoon and evening hours. Heading into tonight and into our Friday morning, we'll have mostly cloudy skies, maybe a stray shower or two, but still the center of circulation of the remnants of Laura will start moving to the north and northeast. Everything should be quiet on Friday morning, but then heading into Friday afternoon, we'll start really getting those feeder bands picking up, and these are the ones we will need to watch very closely. So keep it tuned to WCBI for the very latest. And then we'll stay in an unsettled weather pattern as a front will be stalling over us over the weekend and into early next week, keeping rain and storm chances around, temperatures in the mid to upper 80s.
Thanks, Vanessa.